Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Samsung is going to introduce its 2023's foldable with some significant changes. The device could include an entirely new processor based on the 4nm process and even come with a built-in S Pen slot, just like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The test version of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 runs a new processor, named Qualcomm Snapdragon 985 5G. It is based on a 4nm process node. This is the first time we are hearing about this chipset, and it has not yet been officially announced by the semiconductor manufacturer. The Z Fold 5 would be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. More information is needed before any conclusions can be drawn. Further, it has been reported that the smartphone will be slightly thicker, 6.5mm instead of 6.3mm, and weigh a little more than its predecessor. The device will also come equipped with an S Pen slot, which is probably the reason behind the increase in weight and thickness. Previously, it was revealed that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have a triple camera unit featuring a 50-megapixel ISOCELL GN3 camera and a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. Just like every year, Samsung may unveil the new foldable at the Galaxy Unpacked event in August. As for the increased weight, it could be that Samsung is planning to equip the Fold 5 with a bigger battery to better compete with the Oppo Find N2. The report seems to link the weight increase to camera sensors, which implies that the phone will have new and presumably bigger sensors. An earlier report had said that the 10MP front-facing camera would be swapped out for a 12MP snapper. Samsung upgraded the main and telephoto cameras just last year, so we doubt that the Fold 5 will get new rear sensors. That said, the aforementioned Oppo Find N2 has better cameras than the Fold 4, and Google is expected to announce its first foldable phone around the same time as the Fold 5, and since Google's Pixel phones are known for their cameras, Samsung might have decided to equip the Fold 5 with new cameras. This also aligns with an earlier report that said Samsung wanted to improve the cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. That report also said that the phone would have a less prominent crease. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.